back with some more miniguns. We have a challenge here. And let's see. Play 10 epics. Play 3 2v2. 3 matches as a Dominion. And a challenge. Alright, awesome. Epic. So we should be able to complete the challenge and our quest at the same time. So, but first, let's look at the rules. So, light infantry, trucks, and helicopters. What was that? I have no idea. Alright, so let's see. Well, first, let's just get rid of everything that doesn't follow that. Okay. So for the Republic here, we're gonna need 3 new units to replace what we had, which was an anti-aircraft unit, an anti-tank unit, and whoops. Sorry about that. And just a heavy armament thing. I think we'll go expensive anti-aircraft with that. Well, since it's light infantry, the mortars should be pretty good. Pretty good. Something that's anti-vehicle. Rocket launcher? I don't know. Well, actually, wait, yeah, rocket launcher, because he can be anti-vehicle and anti-air, even though he's more effective against ground vehicles. I think we'll do the challenge on random, but then we'll just make sure to play some more Dominion games afterwards. So there'll be some extra games here. As far as the Dominion goes, only the 2 tanks have to go. Why not drones, right? Why not just stock up on some helicopters? So I'm gonna get the rocket chopper, El Rocco chopper, and a little drone. I mean, they're kind of cheap. They're basically flying infantry. I think they're actually weaker than the regular infantryman. I mean, should I get another truck? Another trucks are useful to me. Oh, wait, never mind. I'll get the mine layer. I'll have that. There we go. And as far as the Empire goes, I gotta go to 1, 2, 3. Alright, so 3 more units. Well, since it's light infantry, shoot, snipers are probably really good, aren't they? Trucks. I'll get the mine truck. Get the mine truck for you guys. Should I get the sniper? I need anti-aircraft. None of these guys are anti-air. So, will I have to go rocket guy again? Oh, geez. Yeah, why not? He's level 15. Very high. So yeah, we'll have to rocket guy for anti-vehicle purposes. And he's okay against helicopters. Haha. I have to get something that should specialize in anti-aircraft, though. How's my anti-aircraft truck looking on this? Level 11? Not the best. I mean, I do have this guy, right? So, if you're gonna be anti-vehicle, you're anti-infantry, and the main thing I'm worried about is sniper rifles, I should probably just get the standard truck, then, right? Oh, wait a minute. Or should I go a little bit specialty here? Let's see. What useful infantry do I have? I'm sorry, I'm just really thinking hard about this. Taking 4 minutes of your time. Sorry about this. Sorry, not sorry, I guess. I want an infantry unit, to be honest. So many good options here. Well, let's see. You can stand by for just a regular truck. So, I think snipers are just going to be stupidly important. So I'm going to get snipers. And I'm actually going to have regular infantrymen sitting in the back line. So let's see. Let's make sure I got all parameters down. So, like, you're anti-infantry, you're anti-vehicle, I guess. Then I'll have you for anti-air. And then, you guys are all good. You guys are fine. I'll keep the snipers in the back on that one. Yeah. Actually, but you know what? Over here, though. Yeah, well, screw it. I'll go with a normal setup. Normal-ish. Wait, and have to start the challenge. Alright, now we can actually get into some games. Sorry about that, taking 5 minutes of your time away. Just wanted to show the whole process, you know? The rest of this will be more music intensive. I know whenever I say music intensive, I normally cut in every once in a while, though. So, we'll see. Seem like old buddy over here old buddy, the blue enemy over here seems like he kind of AFK'd there. Such a shame. Really hate to see that happen to a guy. Such a shame. Well, that was easy match once, you know, the guy AFK'd. Let's see what happens next. Totally forgot about that. He's heavy infantry. So I actually cannot use the mech. Stupid. Alright. Now that we got all our stupid out the way, let's try to actually come back from this. He has minigun central, but I have a whole bunch of paratroopers. Seems like he's just going for like heavy light infantry, if that makes any sense. Heavy light infantry. That doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Does it? No, it does not. I just need... He's not playing it smart with his, paratroopers. He's dropping them, like, in front of, everything. Whereas he should be doing it behind them. Because these infantry can't... The infantry that he's spawning can't kill the paratroopers that easily. So, I just need my paratroopers. and then I drop him behind, and then he reveals that he has really good infantry at that second. Alright, kill... Yeah, get rid of that noise, get rid of that mess. Alright, got most of them. I'm gonna spawn some of these guys. Spawn this guy behind. Alright, yeah, that... Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay. This is definitely a problem here. Yeah, these guys are not the best anti-aircraft, and there goes his strat. There goes all my teammates' money. It's dead right now. All of my teammates' money is dead. Died like a couple seconds ago. Kill some of those miniguns, please. Well, you know, minigun turrets, rather. Alright, they're just killing, pushing us too far back. Can't really do anything about it. Doesn't help, then, you know, I have a wasted unit slot. It's like one of the worst things to have in the game. A wasted unit slot, okay. Spam fire. Send someone behind them to try to do something. Snipers, maybe. Okay, just protecting old dude's base. Except we're not doing a good job. We're doing pretty terribly at that job. We're failing pretty hard. Alright, more aircraft. Okay, yeah, these guys will not suffice as far as aircraft goes. I'm gonna have to... I'll replace the mech suit with the truck. With the anti-aircraft truck after this one. This one's definitely gonna be a loss. Does a tie count as a loss, or does a tie just, like, count as a tie? You know, where it doesn't do anything for or against you? We're kicking it. We're probably not going to be kicking it as soon as, you know, sudden death shows up. Ugh. Okay. Aircraft. I gotta watch out for aircraft. I could try to cheese it. I could try cheesing it. Like, you know, just trying to sneak behind them. I think it'd be better to try to put up an actual defense, though. Not that our actual quote-unquote defense is doing anything. Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah, we're gonna die. We're gonna die to that thing. Luckily, the Typhoon stops to kill literally everything in its path. So I do have some leeway here. Send one little girl back there. One little paratrooper, see what she can do. Shoot the base, maybe? Shoot base? Come on, please. She's getting distracted by everything else. I'm gonna keep sending one paratrooper at a time over there. Nah, I think that was a mistake, probably. Yep, alright. Yeah, that's it. Alright. Okay, we actually lost there. We didn't have good anti-aircraft. And their helicopters were just way too good. So, that's a ouch. We already played 10 epic minis. Don't know how. Oh, right, that's because snipers are epic. I totally forgot about that. Alright, so that was an easy one to get. We need anti-air. Where's the truck? Because I completely forgot that guy is heavy infantry. So, that was useless. That was stupid. Let's keep going. No, God.
Alright, so we're checking out the only game that teaches you exactly what it's like.
Notifications, I swear. Ah, jeez. Gosh darn it. God damn it, notifications. Well, we ended up winning. I hate that because I can't just let it sit there. I have to swipe it away because I can't see anything in those valuable 2 seconds, you know? Alright. Well, we ended up winning, ended up completing another challenge. So now all we got to do is play 3 times as the Dominion. We got 4 more games to get 2 more Dominion games. We'll see if we can get it or if we have to play extra. Read all about it. You know, I really hate this because he's not doing anything. Like, seriously, what the hell, team? Oh, God. Alright, seems like he's finally showed up. Took you long enough. Practically lost, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for showing some consideration and showing up for once. Alright, good job. Why do I always lose as the Empire, man? I bet you all this guy has in his stupid army is freaking infantry, man. Like a stupid dummy. Decided to go for some stupidity. Ah, man. I really wish people like you didn't play 2v2 matches. And instead decided to go kill yourself in a 1v1. 1v1 match. So stupid. Alright, whatever. Alright, looks like that thing, looks like swapping out, getting that mongoose truck actually mattered. We ended up tying, which counts as nothing. Yep, counts as nothing. Okay. That's awesome. We also got this thing, which unlocks in 12 hours. So at 5 a.m. in the morning. That's cool. Alright. Let's see. Let's see this. Where is it? Recent. Oh no. Oh no, he had a whole... Oh. He didn't come prepared for the challenge. He was... Okay. That... Whatever. Uh-huh. Alright, this is the second guy who I've seen who has not been prepared. But hey, neither were these guys. So, yeah, apparently people just don't seem to get that, you guys gotta prepare for these challenges, You can't just go with anything you want. It's stupid. That is the fourth person in total that I've seen who has not been prepared for this stuff. Just constantly spawning one unit over and over again. I bet these guys aren't prepared either. Why not? Aircraft. Oh yeah, that came a bit too late, my friend. Jim, just a bit too late. Oh, you guys doing it. Alright, congratulations. You guys survived. For now. You guys are not going to survive. Give me a minute. This. No, sir. Or at least that's the plan. Anyway, we'll see what happens. We'll see if you start sniper spamming. Now you kind of spammed everything else, except for snipers, which is weird. Ah, there he goes. The mighty Typhoon. Beware the Typhoon. And a sniper. Look at that. Teammate is still AFK. Alright. Go team. Looks like I'll be able to win this one, though. All on my own. Get that. No, don't drag out of the app. That would be so frustrating. Alright, this game is in the bag. Game is over. You lost. You lose. GG. I don't even care about you. Alright, let's get this thing over with. Probably won't kill him in these next 16 seconds. Well, at least not both of them. Probably not even the weaker one, to be honest. Well, actually, okay, maybe these guys were a bit more prepared. Maybe they just, I don't know, suck. I don't know. Zap. Or maybe they don't suck. Maybe I'm just hyping myself up. Over-exaggerating. Probably that last one, to be honest. Alright, kill everything. Infantry. You have nothing to kill my infantry. Absolutely nothing. Ew, look at that. And that's gonna stop to shoot that truck first. Oh, look at that sniper spam. Told you they were gonna sniper spam. Alright, kill that thing. Alright, they stopped the charge. Come on. I would have won this if my teammate would actually do something. This game would be over. This game should be over. That's what I'm saying. This game should be absolutely done with. We should be done. We should not be here. We should be in the next one. We should be in the next game over. Alright. And some snipers. And some snipers for good measure. Yes, I have anti-aircraft. Do you, my friend? Well, that's a stupid question. I already know that you do. That's not the question I should have been asking you. I can't believe it. It's going to be another stupid tie. Looks like it's going to be another stupid draw because I just can't break through. Oh, wait, never mind. We actually killed one of their bases. Oh, never mind. There we go. That was stupid. There we go. You're welcome. Are you happy now? I just need one more Dominion game and we can have completed all of our quests. We got, like, at max 4 more games in this challenge. 2 wins, 2 losses. So, like, if I get 1 win, well, no, actually, it would actually end up being 3 games. 1 win, 2 losses, or 1 loss, 2 wins. Who knows? Maybe we'll get Dominion right now. I don't have to worry about it at all. But you know what? First, I want to check this. Aha! Look at that. He can't use anything. Useless. What were you playing as? You were playing as... You were the Republic, so... Yeah, look at that. A large chunk of your army is useless. You can't use that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 8, right? No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 out of 8 of your units were useless. And you, Empire. 1, 2, 3. Alright. The guy in the bottom was a bit more prepared. Am I like the only guy who goes all out for this? This is confusing. Maybe that's why they're easy. They just make it harder on themselves by not giving them the maximum unit variety that they possibly can. Alright, finally I killed their sniper critical mass. Jesus Christ, that was insane. Finally start pushing back. Doesn't seem like they have a lot of good anti-truck stuff. Or anti-aircraft stuff for that matter, so let's try it, why not, right? Let's get some expensive boys out here. That was stupid, that was a dumb move, actually. Sending that blimp all the way down there like that. It's gonna run straight. Oh, wait, I totally forgot that they had that. So they do have some good anti-aircrafts. And anti-truck, okay. Now you know. So sorry, dog. I'm not paying attention to you, for I am embroiled in a massive circle. I know this moral dilemma grips everyone as we speak. Okay, just not until I win. I must establish that. No, you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose on purpose. Exactly. Well, because you purposely want to play the game, and you know, even though you know that you would lose, therefore making it you losing on purpose. Yeah, if a loss of 5 works out, it doesn't matter. Because I won. No thanks to me. No thank you, I'm fine. I'm good. Alright, I gotta go take the deck out. Sign to slub. Open the thing up for like 50 games. Skip. Okay. I'll be back to finish this thing. Back with some miniguns. I mean, well, I guess they're not back, but I'm back. As you can hear from me munching, I'm eating food. So, after I came inside, I got my dinner. So, I'm gonna turn up the volume. And, this should maybe be our last game. Maybe. If we win and get Dominion, it will be our last game. If we lose, it definitely won't be. If we win but don't get Dominion, we'll play one more. Man, get a load of this dude. Get your lines. Come on, dude. I swear, people don't freaking come prepared for this stupidity. Oh my god. Gonna freaking lose this challenge. Because I keep getting paired with these stupid idiots. Come on, bro. What are you doing? All you need to know your stuff That is a functioning eyeballs. And I know you got at least one functioning eye, because otherwise you wouldn't be able to play this game in the first place. Well, let's see. I'm gonna be real pissed if I have to restart this whole thing all over again. I'm not gonna show that in the video. I'm just gonna show the one attempt. That's just stupid. Ugh. Do you have people to play the game with, mister? No, it doesn't seem like it. Well, maybe he does in the background. Who knows? Who knows what he got? Who knows what he has in the back? Nobody does. Nobody does. That's the point. That's the point. That's the point. Killed that. Minigun. Alright, there we go. Now that that's settled. Oh, nice. He does have people. That's nice to know. Alright, I feel better. I feel better now. I feel a lot better now. God, these snipers are so annoying. But I can't reach them once they get to that one spot. I need to kill that balloon, which means I need to get Rockety Boy over there. But I can't get a Rockety Boy over there because he keeps spawning snipers, which means I need a minigun truck. But I can't get a minigun truck over there because he has that stupid anti-vehicle balloon. Alright, looks like we're gonna end up winning this though. In the end, I think. I think we're gonna win in the end. Yeah, definitely. Oh, she still got it off. That's nice. So that base is insta-dead. And they got nothing on our aircraft. Okay. GG. Okay. Oh, yeah. Got the dynamite on the base. Tempest blows it up. Alright. Cool, that's good. I'd have been really pissed if I ended up losing that challenge. Claim my 9,000 gems. Why not? Why not get instant upgrades for all these guys that I actually use? Level 11. Boom. Waste our cash. Just waste it. Why not, right? I don't even use gems anyway. Alright. Dominion. 2v2. Here we go. Don't even need to win. Just need to play as them. Vegetables. Dang. I messed up. I didn't switch everything back. I messed up. Well, it doesn't even matter. I don't need to win. I don't need to win. I totally screwed up the game, though. Yeah. Disadvantage. Not that this guy seems to be playing anyway. Whatever. I screwed up anyway. We both kind of messed up. I messed up from the start. Seems like he doesn't want to play right now. That's cool. Let's just lose. Alright. Alright, GG. Just give it a minute. Yeah, yeah, why not? Why not? Why not try just for fun, right, guys? Man, there's some high level stuff. They would have beat me anyway, even if I did try. Welcome to the big leagues. Welcome to the big leagues. This tank should definitely kill it. There we go. Defeat. Whatever, I'll let that emote slide. You destroyed us. Oh, whoops. Hit the play button on the YouTube video. Alright, that should be that. Alright, that's everything, guys. So yeah, in 12 hours, I can just do another episode. Now, what was this YouTube video that screwed me over? What the hell is that? Oh no, that's a different YouTube notification. So many achievements. Yeah, it would be nice to just get all the achievements. But I'm definitely not going to get Cream of the Crop. Definitely not getting Trade Master. Won't get that. And I won't even get the ones where I have to win all these games. Maybe if I'm lucky, I'll get Destroy Air Minis and max that one out. Well, this thing is over. Took me like, well, let's see. This one says 7 minutes, but we'll have to see how long the other video is. The larger chunk. So, alright, that's that. See you guys later.